Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mahmood Kamal and today I will be presenting my project titled Automated Classroom Noise Detection System with Alert Mechanism. Our hypothesis is that if an automated noise detection system with an alert mechanism is created and it is properly calibrated, then it will be able to handle noise much better than a teacher. To prove this, we created three prototypes. In the first prototype, we used an Arduino, a sound sensor, and a buzzer. The theory was that whenever the sound went above the threshold, the sound sensor would trigger the buzzer through the Arduino, and the buzzer would indicate to the students that they were too loud. But the problem in this was that whenever the buzzer would ring, it would trigger the sound sensor, which would again trigger the buzzer, starting a feedback loop. So that is why we switched to prototype 2. In this, we started with a thermal printer while keeping the Arduino and the sound sensor. To connect the thermal printer to the Arduino, we used a USB host shield. This would allow us to communicate between the Arduino and the thermal printer. But the problem in this was that the communication would sometimes fail and sometimes it would not communicate at all. During testing, we were unable to get prints out of the printer, which is why we had to change again. So, in prototype 3, we replaced the USB host shield with a Bluetooth module. This was easier to set up and had lesser wires, which is why this prototype was successful. Afterwards, when we started testing it, the results were in that whenever the printer would print a ticket, the students would learn to decrease their noise levels. So they started to make sure that their noise levels stayed below the threshold. In acknowledgement, I would like to thank Safar sir, Farah ma'am, and all the teaching and non teaching staff for their help and throughout the project. Jazakallah.